Welcome to the largest tidal habitat restoration project California has ever seen. It is the epitome of a multi-beneficial project, a project that in the same acre of water is going to help endangered species recover and protect our communities from flood risk, are the nature-based solutions that we desperately need.
The site's over 3,000 acres. We breached the existing levee in 9 locations and created 26 miles of new channels. Those channels will be filled every day with the tides, and they provide habitat for fish, waterfowl, snakes, turtles. At the same time, this project provides flood protection and public safety with expanding the capacity of the Olo bypass and with a brand new levee. We've installed a new boat launch in the northern corner of the site, and the 26 miles of channels can be used for boating and fishing and recreating.
The project is located at a very important part in the Delta. It is identified as a target area to do tidal restoration to benefit native fish. So the food that is produced on the tidal marsh, zooplankton, phytoplankton, gets exported into waterways. That benefits not only fish coming into the project site, but also that food web gets exported out into the Slough complex region.
We need to restore habitat. We need to get these native fish back in the habitat where they're going to thrive. And this project is critically important to this. And it's actually restoring nature, letting nature do its thing.
So we're standing at the Vogel parcel, which is a part of this project, and it wasn't behind levees. So we were able to breach it 2 years ago, and you can already see the vegetation that's taken off.
So we expect the whole property of the larger Lookout Slough project to emulate what Vogel looks like.
I think historically in the past, our processes simply have been too slow to confront the challenges that we face. We have to move further and faster to address these challenges.
So we accomplished this project through a public-private partnership. The state set the objectives and helped facilitate quick resolution of issues when they came up, and our private sector partner was able to really efficiently deliver this project.
And that's a big deal. This project, again, the largest of its kind in the state's history, got done in 6 years.
It was very sentimental to see the breaching and see tides being reintroduced where they were 100 years ago.
Our state has very ambitious goals for restoration, especially here in the Delta. If we're going to meet those types of goals, we have to think big. We have to do projects at a larger scale, just like Lookout Slough, like we've done here.